All right, folks, so we're doing a review of this just excellent radar detector, and I'm going to show you some things here. So here it is right here. It's battery operated, and I'm going to show you something. It's going to go dark right now because I want to show you the lights as they light up. Have you ever passed one of those signs that flash and show you your speed, and it'll tell you slow down, and it actually flashes like a bright flash? Well, how does it know your speed? So those signs have radar detectors, or radar on them, I should say. And I'm going to show you as we come up to this sign, I'm going to show you how the radar detector right here will pick it up as it's targeting its radar at us. Now you see all these cars going by? We're going to do a U-turn and we're going to follow them because the radar will be hitting those cars and we'll get some of the overflow of the radar. So here we go. So watch the blinking light of the radar detector. You will see the sign on the right-hand side as it shoots the radar at us. Here we go. Notice it gives you a lot of notice. It's going to get stronger. Let me move it up a bit and I'll be quiet so you can see. There it is right there. Now watch, it has rear. It also picks up from the rear. Of course, I'm blocking it with this camera. So what you just saw was the radar detector in action. It's excellent. And this is on the auto setting. There's auto, city, and also highway. So it will do a search and scan, and it can tell if you're in the city or if you're on the highway. So this is great, a great radar detector. I use it on my motorcycle, and I just use rechargeable batteries, and I give it 5 out of 5 stars. Just excellent.